Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next lesson of the partnership related with the reconstitutions of partnership firm. Now today our learning objectives are to understand the meaning of the reconstitutions and the circumstances of the reconstitution of firm and the effect on the partners in case of reconstitutions of firm and the adjustments required at the time of reconstitutions of firm. First, meaning reconstitutions of the firm means any change in the partnership agreement, partnership deed. That means that this is the end of existing agreement and the new agreement is made. So the change in relationship is called as reconstitutions of firm without any dissolution, without any end. It will remain on continuations without making new firm. Means the relationship will be changed. Conditions may be changed without any dissolution is called as reconstitution. Now, the circumstances of the reconstitutions of firms are when the ratios are going to be changed in any case, it means the firm is need to be reconstituted. Number one, when the existing partners decide to change in their old profit sharing ratios. The second is when a admission of a new partner is there, then there may be a change in the old partner's share. When a one person is retiring from the firm, that means there may be the change in the remaining partners. If one person is going to death, that means again the change in ratio of the old partners. If the two firms going to merge or to be going to amalgamate, and making the new one, then again the sharing of ratios may be changed. So it means the reconstitutions referring the change of ratio conditions may be anyone. So listen again: change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners, admissions of a new partner, retirement of existing partner, death of any partners, or amalgamation of two firms. Now the effect of the partners in case of reconstitutions of the firm, some partners will get new extra shares and the someone will sacrifice. This is the maybe the result. So to maintain the equity and the uniformity between the all the partners, there is a needs to make the few adjustments. Now the adjustments are needed at the time of change in profit sharing ratios. First, to calculate sacrificing ratio and the gaining ratio among the partners, and the second is accounting treatment of the goodwill and the valuations of the goodwill. Now third one is the accounting treatment of the reserve and accumulated profits, accounting for revaluations of assets and liabilities, and the last one is to make the adjustments. It means when a ratio is going to change, there is a need to adjust all these things: ratios, goodwill, reserves, profits, revising the value of assets and liabilities, and the adjustments in the capital. And then the firms can be called as reconstitutes. Thank you.